architecture. Okay, so basically, Linux and Mac, they are using layered, whereas Windows is not using layered. It is using micro or macro. Okay, so basically what's happening here is, if virus get affected, it will get affected in local disk C, wherein your operating system is there. So total operating system will get affected. One folder is connected to another folder is connected to another folder. Okay, if one folder is affected, all other folders will also get affected. So yeah, it will be your operating system will get affected. Whereas in Linux or Mac, they are using layered architecture, wherein if one folder get affected, only that folder will be affected, not remaining everything will be safe. Okay, your virus cannot be transmitted from one folder to another folder in Linux or Mac because they are using layered architecture. Okay, whereas coming to your, if you want to run any tool, okay, it is better to use virtual machine, and you can install Windows in your virtual machine too and try it. Okay, because Windows is also having few tools in order to hack. Okay, hacking purpose. So first thing, whatever you want to do, you shouldn't be doing in your host machine, because if at all virus gets affected, it will be only affected in the machine which is there in your virtual machine. Okay, you can always delete that and reinstall any other operating system in virtual machine. Okay, this is a safer practice in order to learn ethical hacking. Yeah. Hello. Yeah. Did you guys understand?
Yeah.
Okay, so coming to your Kali Linux, you can go visit kali.org. That is the website. This is the website, and go to your downloads. In downloads, you'll find the first link.
So should we
Kali
use
Linux.
VMware or should we use VirtualBox?
Yeah,
Should we use VMware or should we use VirtualBox?
VMware is actually it is pro version. It is premium version. You have to pay in order to buy, you need to buy it. So
Yeah.
VirtualBox is free.
Okay, yeah, we'll use VirtualBox then.
VirtualBox, Oracle VirtualBox is free.
Okay.
Okay, so download this torrent file, which is of 2.6 GB. Okay, and in your virtual machine, your virtual box, okay, you can go and you can start installing it after downloading it. Okay, so you have to say new. Just note this process,
We're doing
because
60-bit, right?
yeah, yeah,
We're doing 64-bit, right?
yeah, 64-bit. Okay, so first thing, you have to create a new virtual machine, and you have to name your virtual machine. I'll say Kali. And the type of operating system, mine is Linux operating system. The Kali Linux is Linux operating system. Okay.
Can you go a little slower? I think we're all
Yeah,
still.
I was just about to say.
Yeah. You can download it. It will take time. Until then, I'll be showing you the process. Anyways, this will be recorded. The recorded session will be available, so you can repeat it and see again. So it is just simple thing. Okay. So after selecting the type Linux and version is Debian, you understood, right?
Yeah, I got it, baby. Yeah.
Okay, so next, click next, and the memory should be, you should be giving at least 3 GB, more than 3 GB. Okay, 3 GB or more than
Still
3 GB.
downloading for me.
Yeah. This session will be recorded, so after you get downloaded, you can watch the video session again, recording session, and you can do it slowly. Okay, this is just small thing, you can understand it. Okay, you have to set RAM to more than 3 GB or 3 GB, depending on how much RAM your system is having. Okay, and one more thing, if you are having 8 GB of RAM, let's say you are having 8 GB of RAM, Windows need at least 5 GB of. Okay, so Windows is taking 5 GB of RAM, and you'll be giving 3 RAM to Kali Linux. Okay, so out of 8, if you take out 3, it is 5. So Windows will be having 5 and Kali will be having 3. Whenever you shut down your Kali Linux in your virtual machine or VM box, okay, so that 3 GB will be allocated back to your Windows machine. Okay, whenever you run, again that 3 GB will be allocated to Kali Linux.
Okay.
I have a question. So, do we
Yeah.
download Windows host or Linux distributions?
If your operating system is Windows, you have to download Windows machine.
Okay, okay. Yeah, that's
Yeah, the software is for Windows. And then after selecting how much RAM you need, then click next. Create a virtual hard disk. Create it, and you have to just click next, 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 next. Dynamically, you need to allocate the memory. And here you need to keep how much. It depends on how much storage you have. I have 2 TB. My computer have 2 TB. So I'm giving like let's say 50 GB, or else you can give 30 GB. It's up to you. Okay. So I'll say create it. My virtual machine got created.
Did you choose the ISO file yet or no?
No, I didn't choose ISO file yet. If I start it, it will ask me to choose it.
Okay.
If I run start, okay, so if you can see startup desk, you can browse and
Yeah.
select your ISO file. ISO file. Yeah, you can choose your ISO file. So I'll be choosing my ISO file and I'll say open. So everyone did it get downloaded?
It's still downloading. I'm 65% done.
Okay, okay. So you are understanding the process, right?
Yeah. I don't know about everyone else, but
mine is taking
Okay.
quite long. The virtual box is
Yeah,
downloading
yeah.
in one. The Kali
Obviously,
Linux
this
within
is Kali Linux
2 hours.
2.6 GB. It will take time unless you have high speed internet. It won't. That's why I'm telling you the process so that you can do it later on. Okay.
Okay.
So if you start the mesh, it will show you the screen something like this. So first thing you have to do is capture it. Now you need to graphical install. You need to select graphical install and tap enter. Okay, it will ask you for language, location, keyboard type, will load all installation medium component. Can there is disturbance coming from Ratnakar. Mute your mic.